UMIDIGI S2 Pro, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password or other screen lock method on the following phone. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. You have to keep holding power key until the device goes black, and then you need to release power and simply start holding power key and volume up. So now let's hold down power key and volume up, release both keys as soon as UMIDIGI logo pops up. Then now command picture pops up, so now you need to start holding power, and while holding power, press volume up once. That's it, this is the Android system recovery. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down to choose Wipe Data Factory Reset and press power key to confirm it. Scroll down to choose Yes, delete all user data and press power button to choose it. The phone is formatting all personal stuff and customized settings. The device is also erasing the installed apps, and as soon as Android recovery pops up again, let's press power key to reboot system now. And the device is restarting and rebooting, so let's wait until the operation will be completed. Excellent, as you can see, the welcome panel just pops up, so it simply means that the hard reset is done. You may also observe that there is no pattern or a password, so everything went well. You can activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.